Making simply massive strides in the automotive space, the Chinese are becoming excellent at the game. Welcome to the luxury arm of Chery Motors. Welcome to the all-new launched Omoda. On the outside, it's bold, it's striking. I love the look at me chintzy grille with those wide smile and teeth, the darkened alloy wheels of this car, and over at the back, the swooping coupe-like lines. It looks incredibly stylish, but it's more than that. When you drive it along, it is comfortable. It's powered by an impressive powertrain, and it overall puts its power down decently. It really holds its own. Where things perhaps get even more impressive when it comes to the new Omoda is, well, what's in the name? It is the luxury arm of Chery, and luxuries and standard kit are absolutely plentiful. As far as luxury goes, this interior cabin space, well, it is beautifully put together. I love the soft touch materials here on the dash. Up front of me, this very impressive twin displays. We're getting the central one here, which is touchscreen based, and what you find is it's also incredibly intuitive. It works really well. Then what you get here is not only a quick way to jump through all your settings, the likes of lighting controls. I love some of the mood lighting going on here, the driver assistance features, as well as your own personal assistant. So look at this.
I'm listening.
Open the driver's window.
Opening driver window.
Thank you. That was pretty brilliant. I can, of course, close it myself or ask the assistant to do it. Up front of me, I also got a digital instrumentation cluster, and you can easily move along to see everything here. Very clear, very premium, well put together. What I also like is this feature. At the center here of the dashboard, you get this beautiful felt type material. Now, it's a wireless charge pad, so you simply dock your phone here. It seems like the correct and intuitive place, and it rests there. It's easy to reach. If you put on the likes of GPS or mapping, it's easy to look at if you're not looking at the display, which of course has wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as these capacitive touch buttons. Out on the road, the Omoda C5 makes a very strong case for itself. You see, it is sublimely comfortable, this, for a car within the segment. It really rides incredibly well. I cannot complain about the overall drive here. It shares a lot of its underpinnings with the likes of Chery's Tiggo 4 Pro, which is of course the compact car from the Chery lineup, and that means the same 1.5 litre turbo petrol motor mated to the automatic transmission. Now, putting its power down, it does decently well. In fact, there's quite a lot of torque off the line. The only one thing I can point out is it can be a bit heavy on fuel. I'm averaging about 10 litres per 100 around my urban cycle here. Now, some of the European counterpart cars come in quite a bit lower than that. So I think if we ever got this in perhaps a hybrid or full electric variant, it would be perfect. But even that being said, it's a decently sprightly engine, and overall I cannot complain with the comfort of this drive. It really puts its power down well and feels solid on the road. So finally, in conclusion, having spent a week driving it, what do I think? Firstly, what does it compete against? And secondly, would I buy one? Would I consider one? What's my confidence in the product? Well, firstly, it competes in the quite niche coupe-esque market segment. The likes of the Opel Mokka spring to mind. But what it brings to the party is not only in stylish looks and, well, an impressive price point, particularly with a standard kit, it's backed by the brand's confidence. You see, when Chery came to South Africa, the big talking point was the first owner gets that 1 million kilometer 10-year engine warranty. That carries through a lot of vehicle for your money, a lot of bang for your buck. You're also getting an incredibly stylish and well-made package here. I think, having felt what it offers, my initial impressions and time driving it, it certainly offers a very compelling case for me. If you're in this sort of market space, you're wanting something very striking to look at, packed with technology, toys and features. And bear in mind, this isn't the range-topping one. So yes, there's a couple of features I'm missing here, such as a sunroof, 1 or 2 little extras, some of the active safety systems, but nothing which really keeps me thinking or wanting for more. I think what Chery have brought to the party here is simply a very impressive offering, big bang for your buck, and a vehicle which we're going to see in greater numbers on our roads.